So one of my favorite appetizers is jalapeno poppers. They're loaded with flavor and they have the perfect amount of heat. Surprisingly, they're pretty simple to make. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. That way you can take them to a party, put them out for the game, or you can eat them all yourself. It's super awesome to have you stop by the channel. I'm Mike and you're at Delmarva Backyard. If you haven't been here before, please hit the subscribe button. You get to see videos with awesome food, beer, and product reviews. I'm gonna do my jalapeno poppers in an air fryer. You could do them in the oven. You could do them in oil. I'm gonna crush up some Tostitos in my food processor, and that's gonna be my breading on the outside. Let's see how it goes.
Let's get these Tostitos in the food processor. We're gonna grind them up nice and fine so we got a nice breading for these poppers.
That should be perfect.
So with a sharp knife, you're going to take the stem off the top of the pepper, get the arch. Most jalapenos have a little arch to them. Get that arch kind of facing straight up and slice the jalapeno straight down the middle. That way you can keep it symmetrical. I've got a nice little tool here. If you don't have a tool like that, you can just use a knife, but really you're just trying to slice the guts of the pepper out, get all the seeds out, and make room for the filling.
Our filling is 1 pack of cream cheese, about a 1/4 cup of feta cheese, and about 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese. I let the cream cheese come up to room temperature and then I put everything in the bowl and put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. That way you can work with it. We're gonna put in a little parsley and some cilantro and some minced onion. Then we're going to take some of our crushed Tostitos and we'll sprinkle that in there. And then we're going to mix that up. Get all those flavors mixed up a little bit. For our binder, we're going to take 1 egg, a little bit of milk, about a 1/2 teaspoon of flour. Get a nice scoop in there and then just kind of shape it. I'm gonna put a scoop in each one before I do too much. That way I know, make sure I have enough. All right, so now we're gonna take the poppers, we're gonna dip them in the egg mixture, dip them in the Tostitos, and then we're gonna put them in the air fryer bin. Roll them. You can double dip it if you want. Get lots of Tostitos on there. Just like that. All right, so we're gonna put them in the air fryer now, and we're gonna go for about 20 minutes.
The Tostitos just really bring these poppers a unique touch. You got to try these things. They're loaded with flavor with just the right amount of heat.
I really appreciate you sticking around to watch the whole video. Check out these other videos over here. You may very well be interested in those also. The inspiration behind the videos is your feedback. And the best way to give me your feedback is to hit the like button down below. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button down below. And you can also leave comments. I can't wait to see you next time.